sky grew dark, the earth stood still. Upon the hill of Calvary's will, a crown of thorns upon your head, the King of life for sinners bled.
Each nail that pierced your wounded hand was love I could not understand. My sins were written in that pain, yet mercy flowed like endless rain.
Oh, cross of sorrow, cross of grace, where justice met a sinner's face. Break my pride and heal my soul, make this broken sinner whole. Your tree, where death became the victory. I give my heart, my life, my breath to the love that conquered death.